Okay guys, we're gonna make a cheese flavored popcorn. So 1000 W 1 and 3/4 of minutes, 600 W 2.5 minutes and or 3 minutes, 450 and 6 no 450 and 600 W for 3 and 4 minutes. Before we gonna open this one, I want to tell you that 1000 watt for 1 3/4 minutes or 2 minutes, 600 watt for 2.5 minutes and 3 minutes for 15 minutes. No, 450 watt and 600 watt for 3 and 4 minutes. Let's open it. Oh, sorry. Microwave popcorn. Go set 1000 watt for 2 minutes. Or 700 watt for 2.5 minutes and 3 minutes. So we're gonna set this 1000 2 minutes. High for 2 minutes. Not too long. No, it didn't work. Too sure. So 600 W for 3 minutes. Exactly. Medium high. Sorry, the mission failed. Get it next time. That's right. So that's my cheese. Almost done. I put it high for that. It's not finished. It's still making. Look how hot it is. Because it takes for a few seconds to finish for high. Then I select medium high for 3 minutes for 700 W. I just touched it with butter on. Cheesed popcorn. As you can see, that's actually pretty good. So I thought hot. I can't do it. To do this, I have to grow weight and be adult. Ah. I'm putting popcorn in all that. Look how what colours. That's actually good, basically here. But throw this in the trash. Ready to serve. Yeah, not much like cheese.
Du har lagd lagd noe?
Pretty good. Now I feel like cheese.
Med brisen?
Bye. Thanks for watching. I like this flavour. It's so good. Bye.